Unearthing Success, Understanding, Struck Gold. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, struck gold. This phrase is not just about finding precious metals, but it's packed with meaning and is commonly used in various contexts. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First, let's talk about the literal meaning of struck gold. Historically, this phrase referred to literally finding gold in the ground or in a mine. During the gold rush eras in different parts of the world, striking gold was a life-changing event. It meant finding wealth and success unexpectedly. This historical context sets the stage for the more metaphorical use of the phrase in modern English. In everyday English, struck gold is more often used figuratively. When someone says they've struck gold, they mean they found something very valuable, but not usually in the form of actual gold. This could be a great opportunity, a successful idea, or even meeting a person who turns out to be incredibly beneficial in one's life. The key element here is the unexpectedness and the immense value of the discovery. Let's see how struck gold is used in everyday conversation. 1. In business, our company struck gold when we invested in that new tech startup. 2. In personal life, I really struck gold with my partner. They are supportive and understanding. 3. In discoveries, the researcher struck gold when she discovered a groundbreaking cure for the disease. Each of these examples shows how varied the use of struck gold can be, depending on the context. When you use struck gold, remember, it implies unexpected success or finding something very valuable. The tone is often positive and enthusiastic. It's a great phrase to express excitement about a discovery or a successful venture. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, struck gold, in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and meanings behind them. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that you've struck gold in your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.